Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Mercedes-Benz C250d AMG line Premium Plus. It's a two-door coupe on a 66 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, as I mentioned, it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. So we're going to start off inside the vehicle's boot space. First of all, we can open the vehicle's tailgate using the button on this key. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a parking camera. Plenty of boot space available too. You can fold those rear seats down for even more access should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are in fantastic condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the center, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various things, including access to your odometer, as you can see, and the total miles of this car are 82,838. And then various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. Above that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. On the left-hand side of the buttons I was just using. Over on the right-hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. And then behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles to change up or down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, we have the main stereo. So there's a number of ways to operate what you see on there. You can either use the buttons along here, or this dial and pad combination just here. So you can swipe through your various options. You can use the dial to rotate round to them as well to access things like, as you can see on screen now, your satellite navigation. When it comes to the radio, we have DAB, we have FM and AM radio. All the movement I'm making again just there, I'm doing so using that dial. Media is where you will find and be able to access your own music in the car. So we have Bluetooth audio, so you can pair your phone and then stream your music wirelessly. We have a CD player, SD memory card input, media register, so you can save music to the car, and then two different media interface inputs as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can pair your phone from here and access various different bits of vehicle info as well. I also mentioned this car's got a full color reversing camera, and you can see that on screen now. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger, driver temperature, fan speed up and down, direction of the air conditioning off, on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you, and you can see along the bottom of the screen what temperature you've selected, what fan speed you've selected, and you can override auto at any time you wish to by making any adjustment yourself. The buttons we went through just a moment ago, you've also got your CD player just there and a clock, as you can see. Plenty of storage space in here, along with a 12-volt charging socket. Then all of the buttons I mentioned just a moment ago, including the volume for your stereo just there. It's also worth noting the driver and passenger seat adjustments. This is the driver seat, of course. It's exactly the same on the passenger side. So electrically adjustable here with 3 different memory settings, and we got heated seats as well, again with 3 different heat settings. And then lastly, the panoramic glass roof for the car. So there is a button that will open that sun blind all the way to the back of those rear seats. And as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light. You can also tilt the sunroof open as well. Last thing I want to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. You can see the V5 registration document, loads of service history there that would be more than happy to run through in person or on a live video call. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.